Students, a very warm welcome to you. I am Mrs. Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 12, Area. In this chapter, our topics are what is area, units of area, and find the area of a rectangle and a square. Let's begin with area. The measure of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called area. That means area is the amount of space inside the boundary of a flat object. Here, the yellow portions are the area enclosed by circle, triangle, rectangle and square. A line is called 1D as it moves in one dimension only. So whenever we use to find perimeter, we take the total length. So perimeter is one dimension. Now let's make a line of 1 centimeter. If we move this 1D line in distance of 1 centimeter like this way, we formed a 2D shape. And all the surface that we covered along the way is the area of that shape. So area is basically length multiplied by distance we moved. That is breadth. Thus, area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter. Now do the multiplication. 1 times 1 is just 1. But what about centimeter multiplied by centimeter? Centimeter multiplied by centimeter gives us square centimeter, which we can write like this, using a 2 as an exponent, and we read this centimeter squared. The basic unit of length is centimeter, so area will be centimeter multiplied by centimeter, which gives us centimeter square. So what if our length is in meter? Yes, the area will be meter square. If our line is 1 kilometer long and we moved it a kilometer, we have a square kilometer of area. So whenever you see units as square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer, you know it is the measurement of two-dimension quantity, that is area. That means we can use square units to measure any area. Now let us look at the formulas for the area of rectangle, square and triangle. Let's begin with rectangle. To find the area of rectangle, we have to do multiplication of two sides, that is length and breadth. So the formula look like this. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. It is also written just the first letter of each word. That is area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. And we know that in a square all the sides are equal in length. That means length is equal to breadth. So area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. Or we can say that side square. If we cut this rectangle exactly in half along a diagonal line from opposite corner, we get a triangle. And this triangle is exactly half of the rectangle. That means the area of triangle is exactly the half of the rectangle. So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 of length multiplied by breadth. But in triangle, instead of length and breadth, we are going to use base and height. So area of triangle is equal to 1/2 of base multiplied by height. Or in short form, we have to write it as 1/2 of in bracket b multiplied by h. Let's try using these formulas with a few examples so to see how it works. Question number 1. Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are given below. A. Length is equal to 12 cm and breadth is equal to 9 cm. Let's write the solution. In rectangle ABCD, length of the rectangle is equal to 12 cm. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 9 cm. And area of the rectangle we have to find out. We know that area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value. Look, length is equal to 12 centimeters and breadth is equal to 9 centimeters. So write down 12 centimeters multiplied by 9 centimeters. Now do the multiplication. 12 9s are 108. But what about centimeter multiplied by centimeter? Yes, centimeter multiplied by centimeter, we get square centimeter. Or you can write it as 108 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle is 108 square centimeter. The next is question number B. Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are given below. Length is equal to 32 meters and breadth is equal to 12 meters. Let's write the solution. In rectangle ABCD, length of the rectangle is equal to 32 meters. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 12 meters. And area of the rectangle we have to find out. We know that area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value. Length is equal to 32 meters and breadth is equal to 12 meters. So write down 32 meters multiplied by 12 meters. Everyone know multiplication? So pause the video and do the multiplication on your own and check. The answer is 384 and meter multiplied by meter we get square meters. So area of the rectangle is equal to 384 square meters. The next is question number C. Find the area of a rectangle whose dimensions are given below. Length is equal to 1 meter and breadth is equal to 75 centimeter. Let's write the solution. In rectangle ABCD, length of the rectangle is equal to 1 meter and breadth of the rectangle is equal to 75 centimeter. Students, always remember the length and breadth should be expressed in the same unit. But in this question, both the units are different. Length is given in meter and breadth is given in centimeter. So first, let us convert meter into centimeter. And we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Hence, our length become 100 centimeters. And breadth is already in centimeter. That means both are in centimeters. And area of the rectangle we have to find out. We know that area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value. Length is equal to 100 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 75 centimeters. So write down 100 centimeters multiplied by 75 centimeters. Now do the multiplication. 75 multiplied by 100 we get 7500 and centimeter multiplied by centimeter we get square centimeter. So area of the rectangle is equal to 7500 square centimeter. The next is question number 2. Find the area of the square whose side is 6 centimeters. Let's write the solution. In square ABCD, side of the square is equal to 6 centimeter and area of the square we have to find out. We know that area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Now put the value. Side is equal to 6 centimeter. So write down 6 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter. Now do the multiplication. 6 6 ja 36 and centimeter multiplied by centimeter we get square centimeter. Thus area of the square is 36 square centimeter. Let's try one more. Question number 3. Find the area of the square whose side is 11 centimeters. Let's suppose ABCD is a square and side of the square is equal to 11 centimeter and area of the square we have to find out. We know that area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Now put the value. Side is equal to 11 centimeters. So write down 11 centimeters multiplied by 11 centimeters. Now do the multiplication. 11 multiplied by 11 we get 121 and centimeter multiplied by centimeter we get square centimeters. Thus area of the square is 121 square centimeters. Let's try another one. Question number 4. The length of a carpet is 5 meters and the breadth is 2 meters. Find the area of the carpet. Look, in this question, length and breadth are different. So the shape of the carpet is rectangle. Let's suppose ABCD is a carpet. Length of the carpet is equal to 5 meters and breadth of the carpet is equal to 2 meters. And area of the carpet we have to find out. We know that area of the carpet is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value. Length is equal to 5 meters and breadth is equal to 2 meters. So write down 5 meters multiplied by 2 meters. Now do the multiplication. 5 2s are 10 and meter multiplied by meter we get square meters. Thus area of the carpet is 10 square meter. Let's try one more. Question number 5. The length of the one side of a square handkerchief is 22 centimeter. Find the area of the handkerchief. In this question, we have to find the area of the square handkerchief, and the handkerchief is in square shape. Can you tell me which formula we have to use? Yes, area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. Let's suppose ABCD is a square handkerchief and side of the square handkerchief is equal to 22 centimeter, and area of the square handkerchief we have to find out. Since the handkerchief is in square shape, so area of the square handkerchief is equal to side multiplied by side. Now put the value. Side is equal to 22 centimeters. So write down 22 centimeters multiplied by 22 centimeters. Now do the multiplication. 22 multiplied by 22, we get 484, and centimeter multiplied by centimeter, we get square centimeter. Thus, area of the square handkerchief is 484 square centimeter. And the last is question number 6. The length of a playground is 10 meters and breadth is 6 meters. Find the area of the playground. Look, in this question, the playground is in rectangular shape because the length and breadth are different. So which formula we have to use? Yes, area of the playground is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Let's write the solution. Suppose ABCD is a playground and length of the playground is equal to 10 meters. Breadth of the playground is equal to 6 meters, and area of the playground we have to find out. We know that area of the playground is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Now put the value. Length is equal to 10 meters. Breadth is equal to 6 meters. So write down 10 meters multiplied by 6 meters. Now do the multiplication. 10 6 ja 60, and meter multiplied by meter, we get square meter. Thus, area of the playground is 60 square meter. Students, you need to practice more and more, because the more you practice, the more you are going to enjoy maths. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.